Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change email on Shop app. So first you need to open Shop app and you need to log in into your account. So once you log in into your account, click on your profile picture on the top right. From here you need to click on settings, and once you are in settings, here you can see an option of login and security. Click on that. Here you can see in front of number you can see an option of to change it, but there is no option to change the email. So on the article on the shop, here you can see that you can't change the email address that connected to shop email without deleting your account. So first you need to delete your account, and then you need to create shop pay account on another email. So this is the method that is possible. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.